Okay, boys and girls, the first thing we're going to do is we are going to use these sentences right here to help us begin to fill in the blanks. So the first thing we're going to want to do is fill in the blanks of our table. So what we can do is if we click inside a box, I click, then I can start to type. The first thing we need to do is we need to know what will go in the blanks. So I'm going to use the first sentence. Miss Rachel wakes up at 5 o'clock. Now, I can look right here and I see a hint that 5 o'clock. So what I'm going to do in the top row, in all of the top rows, I'm going to put what Miss Rachel does. So I see that she wakes up. So if I highlight it, so what I can do is I can click, hold down, hold down, hold down. And then I know that this one, I can change it a different color, wake up goes right up here. So when we're going to type that, we want to make sure that we hold down the shift and we press the letter that we want to make a capital letter. So I'm going to hold down the shift, press the capital W, wake. I'm going to finish the word. After a word, I have a space. And then I'm going to do a capital U, P. So I know I wake up at 5. Go ahead and see if you can find one. The next thing we have is Miss Rachel takes a shower at 5:30. Now I need to say, okay, is that going to go, which of the blanks is that going to go? Is it take a shower, will that go here, or will that go in the next one? Because I can even read the next one. Miss Rachel wakes her kids up at 6:30. Now I see here I have a helper that this one shows me a clock that says 6:30. So I know this one, if I highlight it and I change it blue, I know that this is wakes, notice I'm making capital letter, one space, wakes her kids up, because it's like a title of what she's doing. Alright, so then that must leave that she takes a shower at 5:30. That must come before she wakes her kids up. So now you have the first row filled in. Now it's your turn to go fill it in. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can fill in the first blanks of your table. Now the next part is we're going to fill in the blanks below. So we have one help here. So I see that Miss Rachel wakes up at 5. So then I'm going to go to the next one. She takes a shower at 5:30. So I'm going to go to shower. I'm going to click and then I'm going to find the 5. And then to make the colon, so where we find the colon is we're going to hold down the shift and we're going to press the button that looks like this. Now if we were to hold it without the shift, we get the semicolon with the comma in it, or if we hold down the shift, then we get the colon like we want. So I'm going to hold down the shift, press the semicolon to get the colon, and now I'm going to put 30 for 5:30. I'm going to go to the next one and look what that says. Miss Rachel wakes her kids up at 6:30. Now I see wakes her kids up, so I'm going to do the same. 6, shift, semicolon, 30. And then I have leave for school at 7 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the 7, hold down the shift, and put in 7 o'clock. So now you have filled in your blanks at the top. Now it's your turn to go ahead and do that.